Hello everyone. So today we have the Milan Sharma with us. So hi Milan, how are you?
Hello.
Yeah. So give the introduction please.
Hello, my name is Milind Sharma. I'm a third year undergraduate student from the Department of Electrical Engineering in IIT Kharagpur. And I'm here because I participated in the AI ML FPGA simulation and design hackathon organized by NIT Jamshedpur and VLSF for all.
So how is your learning experience at NIT Jamshedpur and VLSI for all hackathon?
It was pretty unique because I found out that a similar problem can be approached from many different ways, and there can be many different pathways to implement like the same solution. And while all of these might be optimized for some other things, but there are like multiple ways to reach the same solution in and of itself. And it was mainly a big learning experience for me.
Yeah, great. So how is the life at IIT KPG?
Life at IIT KGP is hectic to say the least. Uh, a lot of work goes on all the time, and a lot of a lot of society work goes on all the time. You can be involved in thousands of places, but still feel like you have not done enough because there's again so many people who are doing so much.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So what are the advice you want to give to the your juniors who are in the second year for first year who are preparing for IIT
For ITJ,
or even the first year or second year is electrical juniors?
okay. For people who are studying for ITJ, just be consistent. There's nothing less, nothing more. You need not be a genius. You need not be smart. You need to be consistent. Whatever you're doing, just do it daily, rigorously, and also don't just like work hard, work smart. Know exactly what you have to do. Have a guidance. Have a pathway plan. Don't do all of the things at once and feel like you're incompetent. Similar applies to a lot of my juniors in electrical engineering or EC in and of itself. Um, Another thing, if you want to start something, if you want to start like a profile, be it code, be it software, just start. Start from a small block, and then just don't hesitate to like encounter go ahead and encounter harder blocks. If they're harder projects, it's okay. You can take your time. You can get help. If people will give you help, you can reach out to professors. But it all starts from you starting. So just start.
Okay. So what are the future goals you have? So you want to pursue your career in VLSI or like you want to target the IT field or you want to plan for the UPSC or maybe master from abroad? So what are the
Um,
future plans you have?
It is slightly hazy as of now still. Initially, there is a plan to like basically get like a decent enough job in the VLSI industry in an MNC. Alternatively, after a point of time, maybe after I have like earned like enough like gains of financial capital, I'll probably be moving to some form of master's or research based idea.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Milan. Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Thank you so